That's a big one. Just point the rod toward the fish.
Oh, okay.
And just reel. There you go. You got a nice redfish. Oh, it's a snook. Nice snook.
I'll take it.
That's a good snook. That's a good first fish.
Oh, he's
Oh,
man.
All right, reel yours in.
I thought he was playing with it.
Reel yours in. Be easy on him. He's huge. Dude, that is massive. All right, reel yours in. He's got a giant. That might be a 35 incher. Just don't be a jack. Be a big redfish. All right, just don't get caught on the boat. Be easy on. That's a huge fish. So for a giant redfish. He's running like a snook or a red. It's not a jack the way he's running. Just don't be a shark. Come on, let's see a giant redfish. It was close. I don't know what it was. I almost saw him. It's not fighting like a jack, so I think it is a huge redfish. I want to see a giant redfish. That was a shark.
Shark.
That's a bonnethead too. Alright, chill out. It's a big bonnet.
Sorry.
You don't want a picture with him, do you?
Oh yeah, the lady walking back.
Blowing by you too.
Yeah,
What the
she
hell's
had
going on here?
There you go. That can't be another shark. Anything but a shark. Be nice if it was a black drum.
Shark.
It is?
Same one?
I don't know. I saw him when he rolled over. Yep, same one.
Jeez. Just be easy on him. Real slow when he gets close to the boat. Is it a huge trout or a snook? It kind of looked like a gator trout.
Holy
That's another snook.
Okay, so we're gonna be nice when we get to the
Yeah.
edge.
As he comes close to the boat, just be easy on him. That's another nice snook. Hey, a shrimp.
Keep it up, Eva.
Oh, yeah.
It looked like a snook.
I didn't see it.
It's definitely a game fish. Yep, snook.
Easy. Pick up.
There you go. That's better. Hurry.
Look at all the bait right there. Throw a bait in there.
Oh, Dad. I got it.
That was a shrimp, you said?
Yeah, he ate a shrimp. It's a nice little fish.
Hurry.
You wanna take a picture with him?
Yep.
Be careful. Don't put your hand anywhere near these gills.
Okay.
So put your hand up here.
Alright, hold on. Where?
Yeah, just grab his jaw. Yeah, just like that.
Yeah, got him. But we can't keep him, right? We're gonna let him go?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That is good picture.
Yeah, let's measure. It's a good redfish.
So,
No more junk fish. Do you hear the feeding frenzy behind us?
fish.
Come on, let's see a redfish. Oh, it's a red. Good.
Oh, I'm all for
Yeah, I got him.
There you go.
He's not very big.
He's a baby red.
That's a good start. That's what we want. But I think there's a pocket of them, guys. 3 of them. 17 and a half.
What do you gotta be?
18.
Oh!
Holy, oh my. It'd be fun if they were a snook.
Yeah. Completely opposite of what we're thinking.
I mean, snook and reds, they'll chase bait like that. How long did it take to hook them? Good to fight them on St. Croix. At least that's a good rod to fight them on. I love that pole. Try to reel faster than you drop the rod. You're dropping the rod too fast. There you go. Get him swimming at you. not really running like a jack. It started to. He's fighting now. What the heck? It just made a swirl like a big redfish. Wouldn't this be hilarious if it was a game fish, not a jack? That'd be awesome. It just made a swirl like a big red. Come on, be anything but a jack. That'd be awesome.
Oh, alright, buddy.
Anything but a jack.
Oh.
Oh, away from the trolling motor.
Oh.
You good? Are you in the trolling motor?
No.
Oh my God.
It's a monster.
Holy shnikes.
Oh yeah, that's a keeper.
Yes.
Yay!
Wow, that is not what we thought we were going to catch.
No. Jack toss.
We were just
Wowzers.
goofing around thinking it was a jack, and you catch a slot snook. That's one cast with the little John. Look what it catches.
20 seconds. 30.
Oh my God, 32 and a half.
Yeah.
That is the perfect slot snook.
Let's go. Alright,
So don't touch that anywhere.
Yep.
Don't go anywhere near this area. Stay around his mouth.
on his mouth. Got it.
That is a big snook.
Yeah, he's
Fatty
pissed.
too.
Grab
Right.
that jaw.
Got the jaw.
And try to put your hand right under his belly to make him look fat. There you go, just
There
like
you go.
that. And you didn't catch a snook before today, and now you got a big one.
I got, yeah.
Well,
Nice, dude.
that's, he hit that right away.
That's a redfish. No more jacks.
No more Jack. We're all done, Jack.
That looks like a bigger fish.
Yeah, he's actually trying to fight.
Come on, be.
Looks like a red.
He hasn't swirled yet, though.
He just came up.
No, it looks like a red. Come on. Yep, it is a red. That's a keeper.
Oh, buddy. Oh, look at all the markings.
Yeah, he's got a lot of spots. Yeah, they put up a lot of good. That's a good one. That'll go in the box.
Yeah.
I
That's
don't think I've ever seen him with so many spots.
He's
Yeah,
got
he's
3,
got a lot.
6, 9, 10, 12. He's got 13 spots. What the heck?
Got away.
Was it a fish?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
maybe. Yeah.
Looks like it.
Oh, yeah.
Sling it back in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, it just fell off. That was a nice fish. You
Yeah.
found a pocket of them. Let's get it back in there.
Yep.
I just got hammered. There's a school of fish right there.
Oh. Why are they?
Nice hook set. Keep the rod still. Oh, it's a snapper.
Oh.
That's a baby snapper.
That's what's stealing all the bait. I think the first 2 hits are bigger than that, though.
Oh, yeah, I got him right in the lip.
That's a red. Good job. That's a little guy. Here, go under this pole. Small red. They put up a good fight.
Yeah, that's who was eating my bait.
You felt the little thump?
Yep.
You feeding them?
Yeah,
That's a big fish too, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
There you go. That's what we're here for.
All I saw was a head.
I saw a little redfish.
Got to fight to him, but
You make them look huge.
yeah.
I thought it was a lot bigger than that. I don't know if he's a keeper.
Close. Short maybe.
He snagged him, that's why.
Yeah.
He's not very long. There you go, reel. Calm down with the rod. You already got him. Small red.
Yeah, it looks like it. I saw him flash.
Yeah, I saw a redfish. Hey, it's a keeper. Looks like a decent sized one. Good job.
All right.
She casted it and reeled it in all by herself. You got one too?
I got one left.
Oh.
And you go, my friend, and you go.
Off the bell.
They're still fun little fish.
Yeah.
They hit the hill hard.
Big fish.
Real.
Don't be too crazy on it. Let them run. Yep, just real slow. There you go. That's a huge redfish.
Every time I switch poles with you.
Find the magic, baby.
Well, she just hooked that big red we're looking for.
Water, and you can see the magic.
She's got the magic touch.
Oh yeah, rub it
It's
in.
another big red. This is the big red we've been looking for, I think.
Yeah. What is that? The camera's dead.
That's a big. Let's hope it's a redfish.
Over the trolling motor.
Go over it. Yep. Is there a top slaughter?
Yeah, I think that's what it was. I seen. Let him run.
Good job. That's a good fight, ain't it?
Yeah.
As long as it's not a jack or a shark.
It looks like red.
I'm at the.
Long, slender looking.
Oh man, that's a big redfish. Nice. Nice fish.
Up.
Beautiful red. Wow. That is a beast.
Yeah.
Real.
Keep him off the boat. Rod down. Reel down.
Got it?
Yep.
I'm gonna sit here. Maybe. Ain't done yet.
Jeez, that's a big fish.
There him is.
That's a monster. That might be over.
Yeah.
Picked up pretty.
Yeah, he's over.
Yeah, he's over.
Big old jar head.
That's a 29 incher.
Punch over.
He's 29.
27.
Let's see.
Oh, 29, yeah.
28.
29.
29.
29 inch redfish. That's alright. Okay.
Hey, dude.
I was gonna release him on camera.
Oh, sorry.
She just launches him back.
I did.
Have the camera on. Release the overslut red if you guys wanted to know.